Ay, big tower. Yeah, the big tower. The big tower of Blackpool, guys. Mega love shout out. I'm late. The tram. The tram. Big short tram. Short tram. Mega love shout out. That is fish and chips, papas. Papas, fish and chips siya. Ay, pinakataon ng Blackpool, guys. Blackpool, mega love shout out. Ayan, may uso pa yung daanan ng tram dito, guys. So, ayan ang daanan ng tram. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out. That is Porsche Hotel. It's nice that one as well. Porsche Hotel daw. Porsche Hotel. Ayun yung pinunta namin. Nakapunta kami to sa loob ng town. Ayan. Mega love shout out, guys. So, tahimik na ang mundo ng Blackpool kasi 8:30 na siya dito. So, sarado na yung mga shop. They have a Primary Inn. Are there, daling kulok? Primary Inn, babes. Yeah, look. Primary Inn. We love Primary Inn. We don't like?
Yeah,
the Primary Inn? Oh, the Grand? Yeah, it is Primary Inn. You book, yeah? And did you change it?
No, I booked the Norbit Castle.
Huh?
Norbit Castle.
Where is that one?
Further on out. Cheers.
Ayan, pasok na ang sarap.